Now the question is that f of x is log of x plus under root of x square plus 1, and we have to find out which of the given following statements are true. So let's start with the first statement. It says that the domain of f of x is real number. So what is the domain? As we understand, that domain is the all the set of value of x for which the function is defined. Now for log, we know that log of x is defined for x greater than 0, for all values greater than 0. So here x plus under root of x square plus 1 has to be greater than 0. Clearly you can see that the second term is greater than x, or I can say that x square plus 1 will always be greater than x, because had there not been 1, under root of x square will be x, and we are adding some positive number, so I can say this, so this part will be greater than x. So even if I put negative value for x, the overall value of this expression will be greater than 0, and for value x is equal to 0, the expression will give me the value as 1, and for any other positive value of x, the overall expression will be greater than 0. So from this we can say that the domain of x is all real number. That means there is no value of x for which this expression is not defined. Hence statement 1 is true. Second statement is very easy. It says that it contains 0, 0. That means for x is equal to 0, am I getting y equal to 0 or f of x is equal to 0? You can clearly see that if I put x equal to 0, f of 0 will be log of 1, and log of 1 is 0. That is f of 0 is log of 0 plus under root of 0 plus 1 is nothing but f of 0 is equal to log of 1, and log of 1 is 0. So the origin is one of the solutions. So second statement is also true. Now come to the important part, that is the third statement. It says that f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x. It is a relation for odd functions. We all know that for odd function, or any function is odd, if f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x, or I can say that f of x plus f of minus of x is equal to 0. So let us check this function if it is odd or not. So we have been given that f of x is log of x plus under root of x square plus 1. So f of minus x would be log of under root of x square plus 1 minus of x, right? So minus of x square is basically x square, so I have just rearranged in this format. Now let me add these two functions, f of x and f of minus x. So if I add, I'll get f of x plus f of minus x is equal to log of x plus under root of x square plus 1 plus log of under root of x square plus 1 minus of 1. We know that log of m plus log of n is log of m into n. So further I can simplify it as log of x plus under root of x square plus 1 into under root of x square plus 1 minus of x. Now this is a and this is b, so basically a plus b into a minus b, which can be written as a square minus b square. So further I can simplify it and write this as log of square of under root of x square plus 1, which is x square plus 1 minus of x square. So these goes out, so it is log of 1, which is equal to 0. So I can say that f of x plus f of minus x is equal to 0. That means it's a odd function, or I can come to the conclusion that the statement 3 is also true. So in this question all the three statements are